ओम अज्ञानातिरिमदस्य ज्ञानमेन शलाक्या चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे श्री चैतन्यनामनोभीष्टम् आताप्ते भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मध्यम ददाति स्वपदकृतम्. After studying Bhagavad Gita, if one becomes faithful that I shall devote my life for the service of Krishna, then he is eligible to enter into the study of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Where Bhagavad Gita ends at chapter Bhagavad Gita 18.66 Sarvdhanu Parittajan Mamag Ekam Saranam Varanam. From there, Bhagavatam, then one person becomes entitled to study Bhagavad Gita. Then you understand that reading Bhagavad Gita is your primary education, and after completing that, you are now entitled to read Bhagavatam. So that sloka means Sarvadham Paridhaya Mama Keka Sarnam. This means you are not need, there is no need to give up everything. That does not mean that Arjuna gave up the fighting capacity. Rather, he took the fighting more vigorously. So give up all other. Engagement means don't take the fruit of your engagement, just sacrifice the fruit of engagement. That fruit is to be given to Krishna. This is surrender. Bhagavad Gita, and to develop the Krishna consciousness, if are convinced that about Krishna, then study the Bhagavatam, where the beginning is Om Namah Bhagavate Vasudeva. I offer my obeisances into Lord Krishna, the son of Vasudeva. It is like when you have passed the preliminary examination in school, then you pursue further enlightenment, further advancement of education by entering college. Ved Vyasa begins the Bhagavatam by surrendering himself to the Krishna. Krishna ki Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeva. Om Namah Bhagavato Vasudeva. Krishna is the origin of everything, and one who has understood the Bhagavatam or has made his relationships well established with Krishna and is functioning in that relationship, that he is passed on the subject matter of Bhagavatam and begins the Chaitanya Charitamrita, that is postgraduate of study. After getting your degree, you may try for your PhD. And the author of the Chancharitra says himself, I am lower than the worm in the stool. Just see how humble he is. This is the nature of Vaisnava. It is not artificial. Every Vaisnava thinks himself very insignificant. Actually, every one of us is very insignificant in comparison to the Supreme Lord. But what are we? Nothing. But if we establish our living relationship with Him, which is already there, then He will become the greatest by relationship with the greatest. He became the greatest. Artificially, if we become purified of thinking I am God, we shall always remain in the position of a dog. We shall never be God, but if we actually feel ourselves humble and meek servants of God, then we become more than God. Krishna is so kind that if he keeps, he devotes from honorable honorable than himself. Mad Bhakta Ujabhitam. Mad Bhakta Ujva Bhakti Kala. Take it for granted that if you worship my devotee, that is more than my devotional. Bhagavatam 11.19.21. Krishna is more pleased if we worship his devotee than if we worship him. It is very natural if a gentleman has got a little child and you try to please that little child. That gentleman automatically becomes pleased. You can please the child with a 2 cent, and if the child is laughing and very pleased, his father immediately becomes pleased. But if you want to please the father, you will require at least $200. So you can finish $200 business with 2 cents. Krishna is so nice that he will be pleased. He will be pleased if anything is offered to him. You can offer a little water, a flower, and devotee are still higher. If you simply offer a devotee a few sweet words, oh, he is very pleased. You see, that is the nature of a devotee. The devotee does not want anything from you. Hmm. Bhakti, bhakti, bhakti Vinoda, I, Bhakti Vinoda Thakur says in a nice song, if you simply chant Hare Krishna, oh, I became sold to you. Nityanand Prabhu also says that. So to the please, a devotee is very nice. Therefore, our process is to take shelter of a devotee. We don't directly approach Krishna in Vrindavan. We will see that everyone is praising Radharani because Radharani is the very quickly pleased. And as soon as Radharani is pleased, Krishna is also quickly pleased. This is the process. Hmm. So first you have to please Radharani. She is Radha Moni. Then by virtue of his blessing, you may please Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Jai Radha Shyam.